Hi friends, welcome back to the Checkout Guy YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you how to set order limit by minimum product collection in your wholesale Shopify store, specifically for a selected group of customers. For example, if you have a gold wholesale group and you want them to order at least 20 items from the winter collection, this video will help you to set up that rule easily inside your Shopify store. So now let's get started. Before going to the video, please make sure that you have subscribed to our channel for more Shopify tips. So for setting this up, I'm using B2B Order Limit app, which is available from the Shopify App Store. If you need, I have also attached the link to this app in the description box. You can check it out. So after installing the app, open the app from the Shopify admin panel and click on Order Limits. Now click on Create Order Limit Rule. Since we are using collection for limiting our orders, we can go for the collection limit option. So just click on the second option from here and give any rule name. So I'm adding minimum rule set for gold customers. So I'm adding my description as rule set for gold members, but the minimum of 50 as order limit from the winter collection. So I'm planning to restrict the collection, which is my winter collection, as a minimum order limit as 50 for my golden members as my customer group. So if this description field is completely an optional one, if you need to add any additional details like this as for to describe the rule, you can add list like this in this field. Otherwise, you can skip that part. And in case of customer targeting, either you can go for all customers. I'm adding this rule for my golden customers only. So I'm adding my customer tag as gold. And if you need, the customer group should be those customers who has spent above a particular amount, then go for the third option from here. And in case of collection limit, you can add collections by clicking on this. It will browse all the available collections. For now, I'm adding winter collections. I'm not adding any much more collections from here. If you need, you can add multiple. So I'm giving a minimum order quantity of 50 and I'm leaving the maximum quantity part because I'm not giving any restriction on maximum purchase. And if you want to apply any individual product limit, you can enable this. Otherwise, keep it disabled. And in case of advanced settings, you can use some custom message other than the default one. So just enable it and add the customized message that you want to show up in the checkout page. Otherwise, keep it disabled so that there will be a by default messaging showing up in the checkout page. So in case of display settings, either you can show this error message or restriction in your cart or in your checkout. So by disabling this, the error or the restriction will be available in the checkout page. So after adding all these details, make sure that the status is active and then go for save. Now let's test this up in our online store. So I have some products in my cart. So there are 130 products in my cart, which includes my products from my winter collection and also from non-winter collection also. So these two products are not from my winter collection. So I'm just including this also into the cart. So there are 10 products from this criteria and 20 from this product and 20 from this product. So total there are 50 products from my winter collection. So I'm trying to check out this. Since my minimum quantity order limit quantity is 50, even though I have added my golden customer details here, they won't be showing any restrictions or error messages here like us. Let's say like 30 here is now let's try to check out. So this is my golden customer and I have added 30 plus 20 plus 20, which is total in 70, and I have some other products from the not from the winter collections. Even though clubbing up all this, I have enough number of quantity in my cart, and my golden customer details is also given. So you can see that the error message is not showing up in the cart. Now let's try 2 here, 10 here, and also 10 here. Let's say 10. So these 3 products are from my winter collection. So now let's try to check out. So this is my golden customer detail. Now you can see that the error message is shown like this. Currently I have 22 products from my winter collection. Among this, 10 is from this, 10 is from this, and 2 is from this. The name of the product and the number of product has shown clearly in this error message. Now let's try non-gold customers, like let's say this customer. So this is not from my golden customer list, so there won't be any error messages showing for this. Even the winter collection limit is below 50 also. So this is how you can restrict the product collection order limit from your Shopify store for a particular group of customers. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.